How to fix Ring camera error code P1-65. So this error usually means the camera failed to connect to Wi-Fi during setup or reconnection, and this can happen because of a weak signal, wrong Wi-Fi password, 5 GHz compatibility issues, or the router settings. Even if the Ring camera is a bit far from the router as well. So what you can do is to open up the Ring app, select your camera, then go to device health. Tap reconnect to Wi-Fi or change network, and make sure you enter the correct Wi-Fi password and use 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi if your Ring model does not support the 5 GHz. Restart your router, then move the Ring camera closer to the router during setup, and if it still fails, you could power cycle or factory reset the Ring camera, then set it up again in the Ring app. But those are a few options you can do if you are having this error for your Ring camera. So hopefully it helps. If it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.